What's up guys, Jordan here, back with another video on the 2013 Dodge Charger build, rebuild, whatever. When we left off, last time it went for its last inspection, and surprise, surprise, it passed. So yeah, it's good to go. It's plated. It can drive around. So basically all of the boring stuff and repairs are done, and it's time to do some fun stuff now. I'm talking about interior swap, so like carpet, 8.4 touchscreen, probably a new steering wheel because the leather's all torn on this one. A bunch of stuff. And today we actually have the parts car in here today, so we're going to start off just by taking everything out of this car that we don't want in it, and then we're going to take everything out of that car that we want in this car, and then after all that we're going to put everything back into this car. Yeah, it's going to be a bit of work, but it's going to be worth it, and after that we can sell the rest of this car and make some of our money back. So yeah, good deal. All right, let's do it. To start off, we're going to move the seat all the way back so we can access these front bolts. Now you move the seat all the way forward, getting it ready to take out of the car. But before you do that, once you're done moving it all the way up like this, back bolts are exposed, go on and unhook the battery. So once you're done taking it out, you can undo the connections and you don't wreck anything. Now I'm going to pop this bezel off here, or try to pop it off, see what it takes. So if you pop out this, on the COPCAR version, there will be a little rubber grommet down here underneath the shifter. You pop that little rubber grommet out, and then up there you go straight in and up the hole. Straight in and up the hole, there's a little red tab. You push that little screwdriver, and when you have the battery unhooked on the car or something's wrong with it and you need to move it, it allows you, let me get it, allows you to move the shifter down. Like in this case, for us to move this out of here, the shifter had to be down, so word, that's how you do that. Guess we're gonna take this out. There you go. That was pretty easy there, pretty tight. Next, we don't like this center console. Yeah, the plug is super simple now on these newer ones. Just one connection. Now, same thing, but in the parts car. So, I guess to remove this thing, you just undo these. Oh! That popped off a little more violently than I thought it was going to. There's a torque in there. Torques. Take get this piece. So you just pop this plastic piece off there once you get the shifter apart. Just 4 clips on there, pretty simple. And then it looks like inside here, after you pull those little covers out, there's 4, look like 8mm bolts. I'll take those out and see if this. Taking off the steering wheel. Oh, you're filming? It's the exact same thing, just the opposite side.
Let me show you the back seat.
So then that is this. Make sure you have your battery unhooked before you do this. So then, my little screwdriver here. Take this off. Gotta unhook the airbag clock spring. Pop up these 2 little orange guys. Then the clips should just pop right out with a little boom boom. So that's for your airbags, color coordinated. And then this one here is for your horn. It's a little annoying, tiny little, where is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's kind of annoying little clip. There we go. So that is the airbag. Good to go, removed. Be careful, you don't want to drop that. You could wreck it. If you shock it, it could accidentally go off, I heard. So next you unplug this little wire from the steering wheel, right there. And then next, we're gonna undo this big bolt. That's gonna release the whole actual steering wheel. And we're gonna swap it into our other car. This is a parts car. Now, doing this is actually 2-person job. I tried doing this with an impact and a bunch of other stuff and it didn't work. So,
I'll just hold it while I do it.
Okay, we'll just set it right here. You don't want to be, I don't know if you'll be able to.
I'll do it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay. My super awesome wipe gonna help us here. It'll hold this thing as tight as you can. Oh, just wait, you're gonna hit my hand if it breaks loose. Yeah. Here, give her.
Left?
Yep. Ah, yeah, we got it. Yeah, so I couldn't do that by myself. And the impact wouldn't break it loose because you'd just be jiggling the steering wheel like this and it could never get like real leverage. So really someone needs to hold it stiff and someone needs to break it loose. So, that releases these 2 guys, which holds something to do with the horn, I think. And holds the whole steering wheel on, I guess, actually. So here it comes. There we go. Boom, and there's our sick-ass new steering wheel. Look at that. That's like so clean. It does not look like it has 200,000 kilometers on it. Zoom out so you can see the nice, like, leather isn't, like, torn or damaged at all. The one that we're replacing it with is, like, looks like a meth fiend's been chewing on the shit. So we need to swap these back quickly so then this car will still have a steering wheel so we can drive it out of here. I guess you can't even show the other one. Let me put it back on though because here, I'll pull off this sheet dodge thing and you can see it. This is the old steering wheel. Look at that. Like, how does it even get that bad? Just installing this new, better steering wheel in here. And put the airbag back on. So you put those in the right color coordinated holes. Push the little locker things down. You're good to go. Tuck the wires in. Slide it back in place. Now you can see the difference of how this is shitty and this is better. Yep. Didn't want to switch the airbags though. Boom. Awesome. That's how you change your airbag. That's how you change a steering wheel. That's how you do that.
Bada bing, bada boom.
High five. Unless you want to high five me. Yeah. Removing the door panel. Pop off this plastic piece. Pop off this plastic piece. Come on. There you go. Those two. There and there. Screw under each one of them. Give it a firm up. Firm up. That gets the clip off the top of the door. Alright, yeah, so I got the door panel off. Now we're just going to change the speaker out here. A couple of torques. So this is the COPCAR one. Yeah, my heater's running, I'll just talk over it. So this is the COPCAR one. It's got a small magnet. The speaker's made of paper. This is the one from an SXT or an RT with the Alpine upgraded stereo. So the magnet's like twice as big, and then it's made out of polyurethane, and it's got a thicker surround. I'm assuming it's more watts. This one says it's only 15 watts. This is probably like 45, like a standard 6x9. Might be up to like 100 even. And it's the same connector, same type of clip. I want to change this as well, so you get this little badge. Let you know you got the Alpines in there. So, door panel back on. First you gotta reconnect all the little connectors that go everywhere. And get it hung on the top and get the lock head, whatever you want to call it, through at the same time. It takes like quite a bit of messing around. I mean, some people probably get it first try. Not me though. Be with this for a couple minutes. The secret is get it. Get it hung on there, right? Something like that. Make sure all the rest of the shit lines up. So boom, got it all in there. Yeah, screen, new buttons, new steering wheel, freaking awesome, brand. Yeah, so tight, it's all in there. We're gonna do center console real quick. Freaking boom. Give me some of that right there. Oh, buddy. Center console basically in. Woo woo! That's pretty much it for today, I think. Oh, check this out. The dash is all back together. Looking sick. Steering wheel. Got the center console installed. Even started working on the back seat. But it's about 2:30 in the morning. And we're calling it quits for today. Day 3. Time for the seats. Shit, yeah, boy. That's all she takes. Back's in. Tight. Oh man, it looks sick. Oh yeah, so much better than the turd junk that was in there before. Just gotta toss the front in and we're done. Woo! Now I'm gonna change this back tail light, big center one, swap it with the parts car, because I noticed the other day that a few of the LEDs in this one are burnt out. So just one clip and about like 8 little bolts that I already took out. So you get her out. Boom. Okay guys, so I got the rest of the interior installed. Yeah, you can't see really. Yeah, you can. Seats, deck, dash, center console, new steering wheel, back seats, carpet, lots of extra plastic pieces, new tail light, bunch of stuff. That's the end of this video for now. The car's gonna go to Dodge and get the screen initialized. Besides that, next step we're gonna do spoiler, paint the roof, paint the hood, exhaust, maybe some other stuff. Alright, anyways, that's it. Peace.